Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to our channel. It is so good to sit down with you again today. I am David.
And hello, everyone. I am Alice. We are super happy to spend this time with you today. How are you feeling today, David?
Oh, Alice, I am feeling fantastic. Last night, I stayed up a little late watching a wonderful movie, so I am still feeling so happy and entertained.
Ooh, a movie. You know how much I love movies, David. What did you watch?
I will tell you in just a minute, but it got me thinking. Talking about movies and TV shows is one of the best ways to practice English with your friends.
Oh, absolutely. Almost everyone in the world loves movies, cartoons, or TV series. When you meet someone new, asking about their favorite films is a great way to start a fun conversation.
Exactly. And that brings us right to our topic today, real English conversation talking about movies and TV shows.
Yes. Today, David and I will show you how to talk about your favorite films, explain what kind of movies you like, talk about famous actors, and ask your friends for great recommendations, all using slow, clear, and easy English.
So if you are cooking dinner right now, driving home from work, cleaning your living room, or just relaxing on the sofa with a warm drink, welcome. Make yourself comfortable.
And hey, while you are settling in, take one quick second to tap that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please. Joining our YouTube family helps us keep making these friendly, simple, and slow practice lessons for you every single week. Thank you so much, everyone.
All right, David, are you ready to jump into our first movie scene?
I have my popcorn ready, Alice. Let us do it. Let us start with scenario number 1, asking someone about their movie habits.
When you want to talk about movies with a friend, you don't need fancy grammar. You can start with simple, classic questions.
Yes, here are 3 super common questions. Do you like watching movies? What is your favorite movie? How often do you go to the cinema?
Oh, cinema or movie theater. Both words are correct, right, David?
Exactly, Alice. In British English, people often say cinema. In American English, people often say movie theater, but everyone will understand both.
That is so good to know. Let us listen to a quick, warm dialogue where David and I talk about our favorite films.
Hey, Alice. Do you like watching movies in your free time?
Oh, I love watching movies, David. It is my favorite way to relax on the weekend.
That is awesome. What is your all-time favorite movie?
That is a tough question, but I think my favorite movie is The Sound of Music. I have watched it at least 10 times.
Laughing 10 times? Wow, you really do love it. I love that movie too. The music is so beautiful.
It really is. What about you, David? What kind of movies do you like to watch?
I really love comedy movies and action movies. Anything that makes me laugh or keeps me excited.
See how easy and natural that was?
Let's break down those key phrases so our listeners can practice them at home.
First question, what is your favorite movie?
Let's repeat that famous question together very slowly. What is your favorite movie? Slowly. What is your favorite movie? And how do you answer? The simple formula is, my favorite movie is, and then the title of the film.
Let us say that slowly together. My favorite movie is.
My favorite movie is. Another great question Alice asked was, what kind of movies do you like?
That question asks about the genre or category of the film. Let us repeat it slowly. What kind of movies do you like?
What kind of movies do you like?
Now, let us move to scenario number 2, talking about different types of movies.
In English, we have special words for different types of movies. Let us look at the most common ones together. Comedy, a movie that makes you laugh. Action, a movie with cars, chasing, fighting, and lots of excitement. Romance or romantic, a movie about love and relationships. Horror, a scary movie that makes you jump. Drama, a serious story about real life and emotions. Animated or cartoon, a movie made with drawings or 3D computers like Disney films.
David, are you brave enough to watch scary horror movies at night?
Oh, absolutely not, Alice. If I watch a horror movie, I have to sleep with all the lights on in my house.
Me too. I get so scared. I prefer happy animated movies or light comedies.
Comedies are definitely safer for sleeping well. Let us act out a fun dialogue talking about different genres.
David, my brother invited me to watch a horror movie tonight. Should I go?
Ooh, a horror movie. Do you like scary movies, Alice?
Not really. They make my heart beat too fast. Thump, thump, thump. I prefer romantic comedies or animated films.
I understand. Romantic comedies are so sweet and relaxing. You can tell your brother, no thanks, I don't like horror movies.
Yes, I will say exactly that. What about action movies, David? Who is your favorite action actor?
Oh, I love Jackie Chan and Tom Cruise. They do amazing stunts.
Smiles. Talking about movie genres is so fun and simple.
It really is. Let us review these movie types using a visual table to keep everything clear for our friends at home.
I love this guide. It makes learning movie vocabulary so easy to understand.
It really does. Now let us jump into scenario number 3, TV shows and binge watching.
Today, many people don't just watch movies in cinemas. They watch TV shows and series on streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, or TV.
That is so true, Alice. And in English, when you watch many episodes of a TV show one after another without stopping, we use a fun phrase, to binge watch.
Ooh, binge watch. That is such a great modern phrase. Let us spell it out slowly. B-I-N-G-E, watch.
It means sitting on your sofa and watching 3, 4, or 5 episodes in a row because the story is so good.
Guilty. I did that last weekend with a drama series, David. I could not stop watching.
We've all done it, Alice. Let us listen to a casual conversation about TV shows. Alice, did you do anything fun yesterday evening?
Oh, David, I planned to clean my kitchen, but then I turned on Netflix.
Oh no, what happened?
I started watching a new TV series, and I ended up binge watching 4 episodes.
Wow, 4 episodes? What is the show about?
It's about a detective solving mysteries in a small town. It is so interesting and suspenseful.
Ooh, mystery shows are wonderful. What is the show called?
It is called The Secrets of the Valley. You should definitely watch it.
That brings us to another super useful phrase. What is it about?
Yes, when someone tells you about a movie or a TV show, you naturally want to know the story. So you ask, what is it about?
Let us repeat that phrase together very slowly. What is it about?
Slowly. What is it about?
To answer, you say, it is about, and give a short, simple explanation. It is about 2 friends who travel the world. It is about a doctor working in a big hospital. It is about a funny family.
Let us repeat that simple answer structure. It is about.
It is about.
David, what if you want your friend to suggest a good movie for your movie night?
Then you ask for a recommendation. You can ask, can you recommend a good movie, or what should I watch tonight?
Let me ask you for a recommendation right now, David. David, I am staying home tonight, and I want to watch something fun. Can you recommend a good movie?
Oh, definitely. Have you seen Paddington 2?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
It is amazing. It is super funny, sweet, and very heartwarming. It will make you smile the whole time.
Aw, that sounds delightful. Is it on Netflix?
Yes, it is. You can watch it tonight.
Great. Thank you so much for the recommendation, David.
You see, asking for recommendations is so easy.
Let us practice the key words for giving your opinion about a movie.
If you liked the movie, you can say, it was amazing. It was very funny. The acting was great.
And if you did not like the movie, you can say, it was boring. It was too long. I didn't really enjoy it.
Let us repeat 2 opposite phrases slowly. It was amazing. It was boring.
It was amazing. It was boring.
Okay, my wonderful friends listening at home, in the car, or while cooking. Now it is your turn to practice speaking English with us.
Yes, David and Alice are going to ask you 3 quick questions. We will give you a few seconds to think, and we want you to answer out loud. Don't be shy.
Question 1. A friend asks you, what is your favorite movie? How do you start your answer in English? David, what is the right structure? You start by saying, "My favorite movie is..." Brilliant job if you said that out loud.
Question 2. You want to know if a movie is scary, funny, or romantic. What question do you ask? Is it, what kind of movie is it? Or where is the movie?
What is the answer, Alice?
The answer is, what kind of movie is it? Excellent. Give yourself a high five.
Question 3. What fun, modern phrase means watching many episodes of a TV show without stopping?
The answer is to binge watch. Woohoo! You guys are doing fantastic. Before we finish our lesson today, we have a fun question for you in the comments section. Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite movie or TV show of all time? Alice and I read your comments every day, and we always get great movie ideas from you. Please don't forget to tap that like button, hit subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves movies and learning English too. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us today while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Keep practicing, stay relaxed, and we will see you in our next easy lesson.